Out of all the things that could go wrong.
Oh, I just have really bad luck with this car. I'm really bummed. I don't have a car.
Oh, I suspect that shoe is dead. Holy you scared the
Yo.
How you doing? I was like in deep thought.
I'm not sheepy right now to pick up my Huracan. Finally, it is. Everyone's been asking me, where's your car? Where's your Huracan? It's getting all cleaned up. Please answer this dying question of what my car.
Why it's been here?
Why was it here for ages?
Last time you came to visit me, you had, you know, kind of little things that we needed to address and fix. The thing has high mileage. We're seeing mad boost. So why don't we just take this thing out and refresh it, right? An engine is an air pump, right? It's mechanical. Things do wear. You drove it thousands of miles with a supercharger, then you turboed it, had a lot of fun with it, and it's just, you know, they breathe and they get tired. So I said, before we go hurting anything, let's just refresh the whole thing. Yeah, I mean, it was the right timing. You got the McLaren to play with, right?
My car was out, it was done, so there was no rush to get it done. That's why I was away for such a long time. No, I didn't sell it. No, I didn't crash it. It's right over there. By the way, your car looks great.
You
It's
like
done.
that?
You want to show me?
We're gonna go to Car Week this week. I'm gonna do bumperless. I just changed the tip design really quick at the end to a single tip. So my welder's making them, and then we're gonna scram code and put them on.
Probably like really similar to Damon's car.
Very similar to Damon's car, but the R8 definitely have a different feeling.
Do they?
Oh, 100%.
All right, well, let me drive
Yeah,
it
so
then.
a twin turbo R8, regardless of the drivetrain, the drivability of it feels way different than a Huracan. It's actually pretty enjoyable. It's comfortable, smooth.
Yeah,
when you drive this, you'll realize how smooth it is. Huracan's like violent.
Rear-wheel drive, R8. Here's the thing, like, I wanted to actually make my car a true rear-wheel drive. I mean, you guys remember I ripped the axle out and, you know, I made it like, you know, did a job on it. But the problem is the car has so many electronics that it knows that something's wrong. So every time I try to do a burnout or a donut, electronics would take over, shut down the car, go into lit mode, and all that doohickey.
You know, the thing is, fact of the matter is, bro, the car's been down for a while, right? And it's like, your car has so many mods, it's like got these crazy lights and everything. I just wanted to make sure like anything that I did was like perfect and brand new.
So happy to get this bike. I actually didn't really miss this car.
I drove it, right? And it's just like, dude, these things are heavy, the bars.
Are they?
Dude, you can notice it.
Really?
Yeah, I can notice it.
People have been asking, what car am I taking to Car Week? And the answer to that is yes. On Members Only Rally, which is Damon's rally, I'm gonna be coming on there. I'm going to be driving the McLaren. Ajax Mitch, Mitchuation Mitch, Mitch is going to be driving the Huracan, and my friend will be driving the BMW M2, and my other friend will be driving the Tesla as, like, you know, the luggage car.
What up?
Hello, hello,
How you
hello.
doing?
Good, how are you?
He's here to pick up his car. He says it's done. Is it done?
All good.
Why is the engine out of this thing?
Built engine, built setup.
Built engine.
Yeah, 1300 horsepower package.
Which I might be getting soon. I don't know. Depends how well you can convince me.
You mean how cheap I could give it to you?
Yeah, more like that. Oh, I missed twin turbo cars.
Pizza, sour, and lots of water.
Oh, I'm taking a couple of those.
Yes. You want to drive?
I need you to do me a big favor and hold my hot dog.
That sounds sexy.
I know. How low is this car?
Very low. Angle more.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
They're good right there. Just go straight. Whoops.
So smooth.
The brake pads aren't broken in yet.
I was looking forward to this hot dog until you mashed it up.
Oh, it's all.
Thanks. Thank you. A really nice hot dog. Put, you know, a lot of toppings on it, and I tell Alex to hold it, and he holds it while I was driving his R8, and he gives it back to me in this box upside down.
Oh, I want to see you open it with two hands.
You're good. Oh, you're fine.
Oh, that's not bad.
You're fine.
Wow, that was really dramatic.
It looks so pretty.
It was really
Now it's all
dramatic
like-
considering it's not bad at
It
all.
looks like vomit. It looks like vomit.
Toss it in. Whole thing shut. Choi goes deep. Choi, does he ever?
All right, so one big thing that I noticed whilst driving this car is the transmission shifts so much smoother, so much smoother. And I asked him, there's got to be something different between this car and the Huracan. This is the story behind it. So our cars are running on Cyvex, but this car is running on Motec.
This is a plug-and-play kit that Motec released to the public. I have all the betas, a lot of the betas, and I've been working closely with one of the best Motec tuners in the world, Tony from T1 Race Development, that him and I have been back and forth for 3 weeks doing all the development on. And we're still not done. I mean, you drove a car essentially that's not even 100%.
I'm so jealous that Damon's car was like ripping around, having fun with this car, whilst my car was stuck here getting all its, you know, BS taken care of. But now, Damon's car is stuck here, and my car is running around. How the tables have turned. It's kind of interesting to see a Lamborghini without its guts. Forged carbon hood. I heard that if you take this off, it's actually really, really light compared to our cars, which is like aluminum. Think it'll fit in there?
In where?
Think it'll fit in there?
Down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you lay on your back.
Here's the thumbnail. Goodbye. The guts of a Performante, in case you guys wondered what that looks like. It's actually pretty nice and cozy in here.
Why are you sitting in a Performante engine bay?
I don't know, I just want to see what it looks like. I'm so extra.
What are you doing?
I'm just being extra.
Come on, Choi. This Performante is giving birth to a Choi.
Hey, you should try fitting in here.
I couldn't fit. I'm too chubby, bro. Look at this guy. What the heck? This is awesome. What the f? Look at you go. Damn. Nice moves. Oh, it's almost got you right there. You made it. You made it. There you go. What's wrong with your car?
My key broke.
What? No. What?
Look at me.
No, look at you. You're laughing. You're like, out of all the things that could go wrong.
I'm down in Temecula right now to pick it up, and my friend ditched me. He left. My car is
I saw him leaving the
halfway.
Tesla.
Yeah, my car is not here, so I don't have a ride back up other than this car, and the key doesn't work.
Do you know how many days I've worked on your car? I was so pumped up to give it to you, all excited. Everything's brand new.
So what are we doing?
You're gonna go home, Uber a key to me, then I'm gonna have Johnny drive it up to you.
I need a car.
The Civic? Remember the Civic?
Please don't send me the Civic.
You can take my M3. And then meet Johnny, and then Johnny can just take my M3 back.
I was so excited to take my car back.
Oh, we were excited for you.
Why is this happening to me?
Because you're a vlogger.
Alright. Boy. Mitch, I brought you some tires because I know that's a favorite thing.
I almost didn't even hear you coming.
I know.
I heard the quietest thing.
You like my Frontier? Say hello to Shmi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hey, if you don't know who Shmi is,
Live under a rock.
you live under a rock, but...
Shmi 150. It's nice to be here.
How's Damon's car going?
Motor's in.
Oh, the engine's back in. Alright. The engine was completely out of this car yesterday, but okay. That's looking dope. These stripes.
It's got a new titanium exhaust in it too, since the other one wasn't
Liddy.
Good enough.
How are you?
Nice to see you again. Hey, I'm
to see
Alex,
you.
by the way.
Josh, good to meet you.
Josh, nice to meet you. And it turned on once, and I made the big mistake of turning it off, and then never started again.
Yeah.
And
Is that why you brought a lovely truck instead of a Huracan to me?
That's my Frontier replacement, and then that's what you're gonna drive to Car Week. So I called a $135 Uber. I gave the guy a Lamborghini key. I'm like, hey, take this to Sheepy for me. I've never like Ubered something without me being there. I didn't even know that was possible.
You Ford GT problems. We had to get from one hotel to another.
and obviously there's no luggage space, there's no trunk in the GT, so we had to call an Uber for our luggage.
Yeah. Where have you been?
Just put a ski box on there.
Hold on, this guy's only well versed in Uber Eats, not the regular Uber.
Oh, where is your Ford GT, by the way?
It's not here right now.
Oh.
That's what I said. He came in here and I'm like, forget you, where's the damn car?
That's low-key all car people these days. Dude, every single like person that I met through cars on my contact is saved through their cars. It'd be like, well, I know you, so I don't have to put your last name. But like, normally it'd be like Tim for GT.
So all of those need to come in.
Ta-da!
I can barely hear you, dude.
No, sorry, hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
I'm just explaining it to Mitch that it wasn't the key. It's also a problem with the car.
It doesn't recognize the keys. It doesn't recognize the keys at all.
So 24 hours before car week, we are trailering the car to your shop in hopes that it'll get fixed. So you guys remember the car wasn't starting. I sent down a spare key on an Uber and the spare key doesn't work either. We are now 24 hours before we have to close up shop for car week. And that car was supposed to make an appearance there. And the immobilizer unit, the part that recognizes the key, doesn't work. AGX has a factory Lamborghini computer. So they are going to try to resolve this issue tomorrow. And hopefully it works. And if it doesn't,
like a minute for it to pick it up.
I just have really bad luck with this car. I'm really bummed. I don't have a car. I'm so excited. 3 months. I couldn't wait for this day to come. It is what it is. It happens. It's cars. They're temperamental. It has nothing to do with cheapy stuff. Just putting that out there. This has nothing to do with ECU tuning and all that. It's just pretty unfortunate. Immobilizers do fail. Actually, there was a Murcielago here that had the same exact problem. So it is what it is. Well, glad to hear Damon's car is running. I was actually making fun of Damon for having a car that's broken down whilst mine is working for once. But I spoke too soon.
I guess the joke's on you today.
I know. To finish off this vlog, this still looks as good as new.
Should we send it one more time?
Let's just finish this off.
Man, the torpedoes! We're gonna do some stuff you boys in the UK can't do over here.
America!
America! For the win!
Well, I guess you and Paul, I guess. Bring it on, what are you doing?
In America, we love these things called fireworks. And since we played with this... Oh, stand back! We've tried this at home. We're certified professionals.
You've done it before?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah,
at some point.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I suspect that shoe is dead and gone. How is that still mostly in one piece?
Hold on. I don't think so.
It smells of firework. It genuinely smells of firework.
Hey, like how Mark did. Don't worry, Damon. We got you.
Oh my goodness.
They're a little part of fire. Well, there. That'll buff out.
I hope you enjoy your Mercy back. Dude, this is such a new shoe.
This was the proper sacrifice. He wanted us to end up doing the unachievable, so we might as well at least have a little fun while doing it, right?
Alright guys, that's it for today. Oh boy, I really hope my Huracan makes it for car week, but you'll see it at car week if it does. And if it doesn't...
Hey, so here's the better question.
What?
We had to sacrifice a shoe in order to get Damon's car on the road for Monterey. What are we gonna have to sacrifice to get your Huracan on the road for Monterey?
Nothing, and if you do... see you guys next time.